Hello students, welcome to the lab lecture of Python for BCA third semester. It is the third video related to program number 12. In the first video, I discussed about basics of the series, arithmetic progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression. And after that, displaying of arithmetic progression and calculation of arithmetic mean. In the second video, I discussed about displaying of geometric progression, then calculation of geometric mean. In today's video, I am going to discuss about harmonic progression and harmonic mean. First of all, entry of the data, int, input, first term, then d, int, input. You can write here common difference. Basically, it's inverse of arithmetic progression. We have to display the series, that is arithmetic progression, and after that I have to display that content in the reverse format. All the contents will remain as it is as per arithmetic progression. Int, input, you can write here count, now what about the last term? Last term is a plus inside bracket n minus 1, then multiply d. This one is the last term. Then you have to write last is equal to last plus 1. This one is the displaying of arithmetic series. Then list is equal to list inside arrange, then a, last and d. Then printing of AP, that is arithmetic series. Here you can display the contents of the list. Now execute the program. 2, 3 and 5. In this way you can display arithmetic series 2, 5, 8, 11 and 14. Now I have to reverse this series so that I can display harmonic progression. For that, print, I am writing here harmonic progression. Suppose one empty list is there, data. Then for I in arrange, A, last and D. Suppose D1 is the data in which I have to display the content. String I, string 1 plus, then division sign, then again plus. I have to change the data into string because I have to display the data only. Then data dot append D1. I have to add D1 inside this empty list. Then displaying this data, print data. Let us check the output. 2, 3 and 5. You can display the items of harmonic progression: 1 over 2, 1 over 5, 1 over 8, 1 over 11, 1 over 14. Now for the addition of all the items or calculation of, you can say, arithmetic harmonic mean. For that, S is equal to 0 for I in range, length of the list, then S is equal to S plus 1 divided by list, then I here I can write print sum of harmonic series. Here I can print S. Now check the output again. 2, 3 and 5. You can see the output. Sum of the harmonic series. It's basically addition of all these items. 1 over 2, 1 over 5, then 1 over 8, 1 over 11 and 1 over 14. Now what about the formula of harmonic mean? Let us check that. The formula for harmonic mean is n divided by this sum. 1 over 2, 1 over 5 means n divided by this item. Okay. For that, harmonic mean is equal to length of the list, then divided by S. Now print harmonic mean of series. You can print here, print HN. Now execute again. 2, 3 and 5. In this way, you can display the data. Harmonic mean of the series, it's 5.064 up to so on. Now one more thing you can do. You can print sum as round S, 3 like this, and here also you can write round, then harmonic mean, 3. Up to 3 places of decimal you can display the data. First term 2, 3 and 5 you can display the data like this, 0.987 and 5.064. This one is the calculation of displaying of harmonic progression and the calculation of harmonic mean. Thanks for watching my video.